Are you catching a cold right now? So use your fingers to massage this area. So in the middle, back of your neck, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36. And use other hand, do the same thing here. Middle of your neck area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 36. You could do this set at least twice a day. So when you're catching cold, you may have poor appetite. You don't need to eat that much. Eat a lot of warm soup. By doing this exercise, we can stimulate the acupuncture points that can strengthen our immune system. Hi, do you catch a cold at the same time had a headache right now? So follow me do these two movements. First, put your thumbs on your temple area like this, moving a circle motion 36 times. Second, put your thumbs on your temple areas and then use your index scrape this eyebrow area 36. Hi, do you have a sore throat right now? So acupress this area 1, 2, 3, press 36 times, and do other hand too. And then acupress this area between the collarbone. This area, there's a dip there. So press in a circle motion 36 times. You also could boil some pear or daikon and drink that water. Hi, do you have any lung issues like asthma, shortness of breath, or cough? Please follow me do this breathing exercise. So you just inhale twice and exhale once, like this. You could do maybe 10 times. Because I need to show you how to do it, so I make this sound. But for you, you do not need to make this sound. You do like this. Hi, do you have a cough right now? Please use your thumb massage this area. 1, 2, 3, 36. Please do other hand too. Here, 1, 2, 3, 36. So second, use your thumb massage between this collarbone. There's a dip. So 1, 2, 3, like this, 36 times. And then massage this sternum area, like this. 1, 2, 3, do 36. By doing these exercises, can stimulate our lung and kidney meridians, can help us reduce coughing.